Hello and welcome to UKHelix. We are screw pile experts, and today we're going to talk about installing our lightweight 60R screw piles, which you can install by hand and are excellent for lightweight construction. They're also good for cabins, sheds, walkways, decking and hard to reach places. There are three sizes, 700mm, 1.2 and 1.7. And they can be installed with an adapter and two bars. They can also be installed with an electric handheld machine, which comes with several components. There's a torsion bar, an adapter and two bolts. Here are some additional tools which may be useful on the job. It is important to mark out correct locations for your screw piles, making sure they're a safe distance away from existing structures and a good distance away from one another, ideally 1 to 2 meters apart. Then you can use a large bar to create a pilot hole. Here you can see an SR100 or adapter being fixed to the top of the pile. You can use a post level, make sure your pile is plumb as it's being screwed into the ground, or just a regular bubble level. You can then install two large bars into the adapter and simply walk round in a circle and install the pile. Now you can see installation with the handheld machine. An adapter is placed on top of the pile and two bolts put through the top. The machine is then connected to the adapter and the torsion bar is braced. You then pull the trigger and install the screw pile. There's also a level on the machine to make sure you're installing plumb. When you're near to the finished pile level, you can remove the installation machine and check your levels and check your lines. You can also use a zip level. This will allow you to set your datum and check finished pile heights. There are several brackets available. Here you'll see an L bracket, a U90 to 130, which is adjustable. This is a 150mm post bracket, which is highly adjustable. When you've found the correct space, you can tighten it. And we also have square brackets, which are very popular. Of course, there are bigger structures that will require machine-installed piles, and we can help with that too. We hope you found this video useful, and if you've got any questions at all, please do contact us through our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.